I can fight for my people, I can fight for the Christians.
Rumcak suas kantigon ya video na ngarik marak dani tarik Jun ni dok beristiversal ya video barita kuburang ko knana skangpa kubur riboy ajau burung ni megumu ko chai bisa saksa siang West China Hills ajau burung ni megumu ko chai badita ba sak mandirang ni siangani zaman dau riboy ajau ba Apsan takin burung ni megumu ko chai bersih geta monggupa meya bisa saksa siang na geta nangahani kubur ko mansuahan kubur tum geparani ubiatan ni geta de riboy ajani nongkin dang jolo donggupa saiden songo nokdang ge sani mandirang rianggupa Juni geni thari ko burung ni megumu ko songe cha hajam endiba megumu ko chaoni badita ba kontharang ni gisepon sianggupa meya bisa ko manchape ya nokdang ni sakbunga mandirang sani ko mantoka hajam Sani ko manahani gemen ya nokdang ni mandirang ko rangsan nongpo donggepa civil hospital na nongpo ni Bethany hospital na rangahan Rasung griye ya sakbunga mandirang oni bersih getamong kuinggepa miabi sade budbar prungo Bethany hospital ni ICU siangahan Kepenang badau obos terang belum batinga aro wamangko ba ICO done sanani ko ningani ko badung keperang para kataham. Adita saranas kangsan West China Hills ajani sapai menggepa songoban. Burung ni megumuko caani zaman banga mandirangan sani ko mantoka hajim aro. Sa ko man geparang ni sakbride siang hajim ni nagata manang. Ya sal somarangon bersih gemuk ni changsa me gumur dam bungrang ko ancing burungoni ko chanagata mana jor wanakin bersih ketan ancing yanake me gumu cha e syanganirang ko phangnan knarong nagata manang Megapun kober ko knang kuna Sony Prime Minister Narendra Modi ketamgapa changna Juni chet tariko kumajdani ko takanggen. Hajagni korokbri Lok Sabha election BJP party ni delani chi National Democratic Alliance NDA bang bata impirang ko mani India songko chalai thanagata Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki thamgaba chana kumajdani ko Juni chet tariko takangnagata thikahan. Yan BJP baksa bakram gapa NDA ni thamgapa changna India songko chalai nagata ri makhangani bawingan. Ya Lok Sabha election BJP sakar chagni sotbri sidrango chegapongan baksana NDA sorkar yo bakram geban phatirang baksa gemak sak sutbong tham MP rang ko mandapahan absan dakin Congress ni delanio India block ko sakar chagni kola chibri MP rang ko manahajion Congress ni saksuskusku aro bakram geman phatirang sakar chasa kola chibunga MP rang ko manangskahan Yani gise pone NDA ketamgapa changna mamong surukari ko chalana gata mizala thamo Prime Minister Modi ni dong chakram noko thome chanchir mangahan auriya thomanyo Chandrababu Naidu ni party Telugu Desam Party TDP gechidok sidrango chiga paro Nitish Kumar ni party Janata Dar JDU gechi gnirango chiga parang baba ko rangahan TDP aro JDU gemak chugemak sak korukchet MP rang genang aro ya dol genyan dau BJP baksa bakreme sorkari koruknagata nang chomot kaparang ingani uya tahan andaki ongyon Chandrababu Naidu mamong sorkari korukani Lok Sabha ni speaker baksana union minister rangko onchina ba dabiani ko takingacham apsandakin Nitish ba sakbunga union minister rangko onchina gata dabiang sky ngacham oni winagata manan India chang chetgaba Lok Sabha sorkari koraknagata CEC Rajiv Kumar baksana EC Gyanesh Kumar Sukhbir Singh Sadhu NDA bakrimgaman MP ram baksa India ni President Draupadi Murmu ko dalatham ni gisepo gronagata ti kangahang Magaban khobor ko knang kuna Tura Lok Sabha seat ni Ketal MP Salaing Esangma Delhi na registration kanagata sokangahan Delhi Archik Association DANE dalga parang Salaing Esangma ko Delhi Ramchak Swahani koborna obiataham anda kyungingon Delhi Archik Association ni dalga parang baksa grunge Salaing Esangma ni agar bakasrang ko anjing ya video knana uni Archika sona mai muksungani rang genang aro mai neknekan rang Archika songo maninga chung warang ko wa maidaki na matna ja kurang ko degen unia gan
마이크 아간 또. Jangan nanti kata nih kata. Apa nanti sekarang untuk kawan sini kalau lu function moment sini, mereka lagi mesin di luar mandera nak lihat lanjut kan. The destiny was such that I thought maybe mandera ko mereka menggerakkan sini okay. Politics dah kan ini. When people ask about politics, micropolitics na mengenai spesifik asal apa kan namanya. Pangan akan nuansa baru sini mondolini mandera mu, tapi nak bukan tahu dek apa kan ya. Aru antara macam ni terus kamu. Politics was blessed from above. If you look politics black, it will be black. If you look at politics as white, it will be white. The fact is that Jen Salo, Israel Jatra, Niko Safo, Mamun Datopa, Tomaniko Rabana Mandagansi, Abraham Zamena, Monsieur Zamena, what's a song in Nasunga Teleco? There was not even a single king before so. Okay? So Nigaman, maybe God had taught Bishop Safi Kanakananga. Otherwise, Israel Jatra would not have one with the whole Simna. Bishoni Gamagan Unico, safe Kanavata, leader who shook him, not do not. Otherwise, Brahmin Bunias only. Neptune, Abachoni, Neptune, fellow, so from Chamber from the Raja. One of the Chats, Scramba Raja. And divided so much in history. We don't have a king at all. We want someday Saxon for Razani Sanchez, something for Razani Sanchez. We were Baroness of Pedla, Scramba to reason. Whenever you choose somebody, you should try to get the progress report. Every principle come, the term bonus progress components and you will be aware of. So likewise, you go Nigel Kenny Manu. Tamba Manderana Mako get on again. Mijaramana Tani Hatana either COVID on the shaking with and 2018, Obama give up the politics. I thought I'll give up directly. After filing nomination, I went outside. Darang ada sakba nomination file kan jaman dapat suka contoh. Bebe na ngayon insecure na kolom. Tengah insecure na kaya give up kaya na kata sa. I don't want to be in the politics anymore. Nana mau ko pa kumain na siya na politics kala. Namja ko na politics kala. Pero what is politics actually? Darang mo kasi siya. Nah, then selalu mandera pakalken, amka dalam politics kalang apa? What's the meaning of that? Politics kalang apa? Nggak para biar tholang apa? Nggak musuhnya sih mah, biar cabok apa? Nggak musuhnya sih mah, biar thogiang apa? Nggak musuhnya sih mah. Spesifik mandek apa? Mai apa namanya? Kata apa namanya? Ini pak sakanti aro dalam itu authors rangi, ba qualified unggah ba scholar rangi akan nanti itu politics is state affair. That means politics was supposed to look at the affair of the people, state affair in a sense. Mandera ngara, mai nak kebas state tu jangkit hanginga, nami jangkit hanginga ma, isora kusyong jangkit hanginga ma. For example, ansini garus te belum chon perta Meghalaya, less populations, but we are nani ini less strict flora and fauna. Tak boleh nama, jeko kita tu batangaya, jeko kalang tu panamaya. Ini buat bisuna secure ke para ansini. Komiak lah. So that's a major indirectly, directly, then salo election ni ground no. But aku no directly naik tu. Aku manding nanti. I don't care at all. Dia pun mandang orang paket masuk mana kan depo. Uni mana kan major orang de isolo cak barang apa direct kan naik tu. Then salo action isolo biar. Dapat ke election nang na. Ba cakat ke barang na. Ba naik barang na. Nampak ko major sang last 2023 ni general election, ML election, ansini mondoli ni mandera mari ro women na tangkanan pok na bendak na benim na ada akan jo. Namin campaign ha andi ba sana tak mana cak shote mesokja. Like siya bang cak shote mesokja. So when you don't show right leader na right mandena cak shote mesokja mo same thing na blindly rejo jo na akana sa no ay. Okay? Na na ke pokhorapo na gisimtharapo ke chakhrapo na agala so ni likewise man so yes and I will dare to speak the truth about chanchim I abimang kan support kaning I will speak the truth whether I get it or not I don't care auna na pachingo na kana I don't have money I don't have jerangan thangkhane ba kapal party chembu jeran chun nas ka bun chembu angchi mana ben open le kana amore thangkha paisa ko dongja arda sia kana ko akan ba ta amode bengjuri mangmang ba dongphaja na ai ko na kana so wa doubt ni Goliath ko so ta ka mo bengjuri mangmang ba dongphaja so maybe God has heard all those things aru minsar utuk taude iko aga nego jensen achari sulu dia tamu take nakni sunok na abano job ne pangan segregate karo mundul ni mandera muk jomena jem Why can't you segregate kana who has given us the authority? Is there any written? No. By the gospel Shama? No. By the prophet Shameko? Daramasija. Angni rang state pa Biba an Isoni somewhat ode. How do I who has given me the authority? Might Isuni Jani Matsia. Ab Sawakan not Isunok Abano Joba in the Biats and Pangna. But not Jana segregate Kasuya. Namja I'm committed to pray for him. Yeah, that's why the Bible is so perfect, Bible is so holy, because Bible speaks the truth. Demokon Bible, Namanamja. Niba Jen Sawa Yam the Takoja, he dares us to speak the truth. He dares us. Suning Messiah Sunday. There came no matter Naka, baby now was a whole Katan for Kaya, no matter the family was stripped up. Agan Daptar Butoka. Yet some Nade, it's a miracle. I never thought that we should go see so priestly rain, Karopa, family rain, Karopa of Tangham again. I never expected. What did you expect? Hadn't young again. I mean, I'm a success as an MLA. Skam Daptor Mukul money, chief minister of the Usually minister government my mission was to speak the truth and tell the truth to the people. I don't care whether I win or I lose, I don't care, but I should speak the truth to the people. So me so Mandera and Sonam leader so they will not be afraid to come out tomorrow for the people. We are scared. That fear I think I think I have break the ice so that tomorrow better leader will come. So I hate politics 아무데 안 내려도 추기는 알아가 그래도 챙겼음 우리 잠에서 렉처를 동안 동안 안 나가나 우리 미송 안 당당한 잠은 볼까 레슈니 만드는 집을 쓰고 아마 당니 만드는 데 방은 나고 왕니 놓고는데 추기는 백gem는 이번에 바제 일렉션 선거고 어떻게 봐 so I try to truth को spread करना थोड़ा maybe tomorrow दाव मंदिरम आमा मंदिरम ना दाव दुकुन चाकरा निको दाव दुकुन या निको दुकुन आन दाव केम्बा के बारा मंदिरम नाकले high spec कायम ना पुंजो खासाई जाओ ताकचो देखो what will I deliver tomorrow for the people una ba kening I can speak the truth I will do the truth no doubt about that okay दाव दे I might be in the position tomorrow so what I can do fight करना है I can fight for my people, I can fight for the Christian, I will fight for the minority. But what can I give to our people? So I'm still praying and I thank you for coming and praying for me, to strengthen me, not only my, I'm really, really happy that you have come forward to pray for me and not for me, for the people of Garo Hills also. I will definitely give my 100% to our people. Ang nito buka part ng sarang usap tao de. At sunod de IAS, IPS na kaba. At sini kaya dalam buka. Ulan bata ko na encourage ka na so tutong karo. Tao te kaya sini Garo Hills so. Garo Hills ni mandirang skip or any level ng mo ba certain level na sana. Sunod ke so we have to encourage those people and then those parents who are able to send their children for the better cause. General Mathaja, Natrama institution, and anything that will arise against the Christian, against the minority, definitely we will be raising. We are so happy that at least democracy can be saved. At least Congress alliance and lungen high of mana so even bulldoze kanal the bisunga name. Or by chance, by God grace, if by fluke tomorrow, if thing changes, that we may be able to form the government. You never know.
Yes.
And then people are still hoping and praying that we might be able to form. When a number that blow in at least margin at least both sides could maybe still check so that way public run I will try to do it 100% that's all I can say public 안쪽도 탕탕 도롱랑 마이브랑 남의 박자다 뭐 금흑니 만데랑 남의 소로 비차카 예금도 놓고 빠니 파티니 사로 놓고 빠니 it's a miracle only I never expected 막 얘는 찬치 좀 없잖아 소나라데 it's a miracle it's totally miracle 소나라데 it's a mystery so 니가만 all goes 놓고 봐 나서 예금 그라소 바로 especially public라나 제라 맞죠 so 47 years ko anga san naningani aro abimang gamat tuma beben alsa ko ngata ta ka beben ni mungba chingna batte black pat ko barang kam khao nam jani ni expect ka so all praise ani gamen abijan malai cancer kasa ka ta ta bina bina ani gulzaran khachi na nge bina so nasa ang pangan mandera mo realize ka nang dulu kaya ang mo dong pa nga ba no ko ni sa na ba no ko sa makan no sa malwo ni ba chingi loko ni ba chingi ni ani gam dulu ni ba chingi wiyo ni umjamena bolo ni umjamena jin ani ki pa makan mo so ni gaman sa I would like to request to everyone ni jarong magana atuni segi ka takam chu kumudlan bibo or phangnan at least direction konbo ya nama ya ko poki gisim ko de so na sama atun blindly 방은 안쓰는 남자 조건이 작수해요. 남자는 지슈한 남기자고 만드는 것이 뭐 필요한 것이 있어서 let us know 와 남기자 빼고 gelé 왔으면 기도 뭐 이거는 안 늦어서 조금 나가네요. 남기자 빼면 뺑다 폰이 뭔가 influence 없나 봐. try to pull him back. 아주 나오 못 했다. 드랍 세디 그거라 못 했다. 드랍 세디 그러면 오나비네 안 간제 뭐 로고네 바간제 근데 봐 아침이 가를 수도 딱 플레이 드랍 세디 뭐 드랍 세디 그래서 그거게 luar mag is factor again maybe what is giving me a chance to fight for that so the bisa nama the mandana nama the biya mandana transform karata no position ka so let us do something about it so now only fight day let's see there was a saying in my chapter 2 verse 13 so he has already he fought my fight okay in a sense my in my chapter 2 verse 13 he has already subdued the enemy because you know my narrative dia tahu tadi Mughal rangni malam rangkoba Mughal rangni matsarani wagam rangkoba ang takkan sekarang bian hotel so ni man it was the fight by God himself so it's not me who has fought this election so ni man that my own praise goes to God anyway thank you for praying
Nanti henover kayo na yan.
ini program lain
Di ba? Branga na po rin. Request kayo lang sa kanya. Ni cukup setelah cukup. Dia ni ya cikgu jadi kita mah. Ni nuko. Yes, sudah kan.
yes boleh nambah definitely mau abijan sini 실롱미 못 돌리는 데로 깜짝으로 보는 거는 나좀 너무 패밀리 녹지를 시작하거든요. 농보다 알아 좋지. 맨날